Thomas is very happy. He got all the engines to work together. And he found out that working with diesel engines was fun. Ari is happy too. Working with steam engines was fun. Thomas used to think that steam engines and diesel engines were too different to be friends. Do you remember how steam engines and diesel engines are different? Now let's look for things that are the same. These are Thomas's wheels. You need wheels to run on a track. Whose wheels are these? These are Ari's wheels. He can run on the same track as Thomas because he has wheels too. Steam engines and diesel engines both have wheels, and they both run on tracks. Those are things that are the same. Which part of Thomas is this? It's Thomas's cab. Here's another cab. Whose cab is this? It's Bert's. Both steam engines and diesel engines have cabs. That's another thing that's the same. Sometimes Thomas pulls freight cars. Moving things around Sodor in the freight cars makes him really useful. Do you think Diesel pulls freight cars? Yes, Diesel does pull freight cars. So he's really useful too. And if there's one thing that steam engines and diesel engines like just the same, it's being really useful. There are things about steam engines and diesel engines that are different. But you found lots of things that are the same too. Sometimes engines can be different and the same.